this is Sandy Crane the Heart. Okay, so I am back with a haul. It's more like a I don't know if it's I guess it's sort of an unboxing. They're more like kits that I'm going to share with you guys. I'm going to share with you guys my Tailored Expression Stamp Joy kit. And I'm going to share with you the My Favorite Things kit for this particular month because I loved it, so I got it. I bought one other kit from them. And I haven't been doing as much crafting, so I'm getting ready to get new flooring in my house. So it's crazy. I am getting all new flooring. I moved in here in 2006. And, you know, it's just time for a change. And I've been divorced for, God, forever. Many, many years now. So it's just time to go out with the old and in with the new. I'm doing hardwood floors and doing some vinyl plank in my kitchen. I'm super, super excited about it. But it's making sort of things being disrupted. So I'm not doing it in this room because I cannot face taking anything out of here. So when my kids move out, I'll move all my stamping crap into their room, and then I'll do this room. But I'm not doing this room because there's just no effing way. So the other rooms, my room, I've been cleaning stuff out. I've been getting ready, and it's a thing. So they do move furniture up to a certain amount, but I still gotta do a lot of prep to get ready for them. So that's what I've been doing. I have been doing some crafting in between that, but it's been busy just with work. I'm in, doing union work, getting ready to open our school. So it's a busy time, but I am committed to getting some crafting done, so I'm trying. But let's get going with my favorite things. So I did buy enough so I can get free shipping. So there you go. So I did buy this stencil, which I feel like I have, but then I couldn't find it, so who knows. This is a cloud stencil. I did use it on a project. I like it. This is a brass one, which again, I feel like I have, but I can't find it. So I'm going to look again, because if I do have it, then I will put it in the de-stash. And then a wave one. I did get that. And then I got this box dynamics called Out of the Box. So I don't know what I'm going to do with that, but I'm going to figure it out. And then here's the kit. It's a Weather With You card kit. And it's adorable. So here are the samples that you get. So you do get cardstock. You get 5 sheets of white. Then you get a cotton candy, a red hot, a lemon drop, sour apple snow cone, grapesicle, and grape jelly. Plus you get this one, which is, I don't know if this is the free one, exclusive one. I have no idea. But anyway, this one's really cute. So I got that. And then the stamp set that comes with the kit, which is just stinking adorable. And I think maybe I can use that box. Oh yeah, see, here's the box. So I don't know if the box, I don't think the box comes with it. I don't think. But yeah, I got this box so that I can stack up my little guys like that. But you get the die and all of this. And so this is just a really, really fun kit, which I'm going to have to play with. I have so much stuff to play with. Okay, so moving on to first is I went ahead and paid for the Friday. So Stamp Joy is going to be the last weekend in March 2021 that I paid for anyways. See if I like it. I'll do it. So I'm going to make a bunch of cards. I think we make 3 cards, I think. But this is the kit. They give you class instructions, and then the items that are actually in the kit. And I'm not ruining anything because they already did an unboxing on the Tailored Expressions site. So you get these little gems, kind of like, for rain or whatever. Chasing Rainbows. These are all new products, I believe, because in case we already have Tailored Expression products, for the most part, most of what we got is newer product, at least in this kit. So we got this. I love it. Rainbows are just totally, and I love Tailored Expressions does this thing where they do a red rubber, maybe a background stamp, and then they give you a clear stamp that allows you to customize your rubber stamp. And then you usually get a die then that you can cut out individual pieces of the rubber stamp so that you can take those pieces onto another project. So I do love that. It's amazing. We also got the stencil, which goes with that stamp set. And then all the pieces are already cut out and ready for our projects. I think these are envelopes. So we're making 4 cards. Okay, we're making 4. And I think, yeah, anyway. So that is the kit for their Friday night. I think I'm calling it a make and take. So there's that. And then I've got the main kit. I just want to put everything back because, you know, I gotta prep for that too, because there's other supplies that you need, which I do have, so I'm not worried about having it. So they have their stuff in this these cool bags, which I'm gonna buy more of these bags, I think, because I really like them. So this one says, caution, the contents of this package may cause you to be extremely creative. So this was the project that you can make, and these are magnetic blocks that you can make a banner. And I have not done that yet, but I'm saying this aside because I am going to do that in whatever video that I make next. I will show you what that looks like. So I don't know what that's going to be. I don't know. But all of the cards that we're going to make are labeled. This particular card uses a part of a stencil, so they gave us that part of a stencil. Otherwise, everything, and like this one, it just uses this one die that they gave us. And then we get envelopes. We can mail this out. Here's all the little make and take pieces. You don't need to see all that. So I'll just show you the actual like kit parts. So you get envelopes so that you can mail all your cards. You get these little seals, so you can seal your cards with a fun little seal on there. And then we got a couple of fun things. So these are new products that all go together, and that's really exciting. We get this kaleidoscope cutting plate. We get these kaleidoscope add-on dies that go with this, like, you know, kaleidoscope phrases stamp set. So this fits in there, and so it all goes together. That's really cute. Then we got this confetti stencil, which I don't have, so I'm excited about that. And then this is something that they made themselves. So these are bits and pieces from other stamp sets that they sell. So people might have these. I don't. So I'm excited about that. So we've got little pieces of stamp sets, and these are the things that we're going to be using specifically in the cards that we're going to make, which I will share with you when that happens. And then I also share what's in here when I share the cards that I made with Stamp Joy. Because also it's a good way, you know, I search YouTube. I don't see a lot of stuff that tells me like what was made and what was done. So it's kind of like I did an Echo Park like box, and I did an unboxing of it. That's like people watch every time there's an Echo Park outlet box, warehouse box, people watch that video because people want to get an idea of what's in that box to see if it's like stuff that they would want. So I feel the same way about something like this, because it is $150 plus any extra stuff that you might need to get that you don't have. Like if you need a specific color of ink, you want it to be just exact because you got paper that goes with that ink, you know, whatever. So to see whether it's worth it to pay that kind of money. So that's why I do this type of video, and then I follow up with, you know, the projects that you make and talk about how I felt about them and whatever else I left out. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy Cranethart.